Hi friends, this is Dr. Manisha Dikshit, Director Pranayatan Ayurveda एवं Panchkarma Center, Haridwar, Uttarakhand. In this video, I will tell you about Shirodhara, its benefits and procedure. Shirodhara is indicated for Vata Pitta disorders. It is also indicated for psoriasis, premature graying of hair, hair fall and hypertension. It is also beneficial in psychosomatic disorders like stress, anxiety. Shirodhara is originated from two words, Shiro meaning forehead and Dhara meaning flow or stream or pour. To receive Shirodhara, the patient lies down to the massage table with their eyes closed. It provides inner potential to well-being and strength. After that, warm medicated herbal oil or other liquids like decoctions, buttermilk or medicated milk are poured onto the forehead. When we pour decoction, it is called Kashaya Dhara. When we pour buttermilk, it is called Takra Dhara. And when we pour milk on the forehead, it is called Dugdha Dhara or Shir Dhara. The place where Shirodhara is done should be peaceful, calm, with light relaxation music and full of aroma. The oil is streamed from right to left temple. After several minutes, the stream is set to the middle of the forehead, from where it continuously flows for the rest of the treatment. The point between the eyebrows is known as third eye. It is considered to be the seat of spiritual awakening. The Hindus also call it sixth chakra or home of intuition. The oil pours lasts approximately 30 to 60 minutes and is followed by a head massage. There are many benefits of Shirodhara. It induces calmness, promotes tranquility and facilitates deep relaxation. When your body enters in deep relaxation, stress hormone declines. Our hyper-alert brain pattern transits into relaxed, alert ones. One small study shows that Shirodhara treatment significantly impacts on respiratory rate, blood pressure and heart rate. Brain waves has also been shown to synchronize with external stimulation. The gentle and repetitive stimulation to the center of the forehead reduces anxiety. It activates powerful energy point known as Agya Chakra. When we pour warm herbal medicated oil or buttermilk or decoction or medicated milk onto the forehead, it stimulates Agya Chakra or the seat of Sthapni Marg. Shirodhara also improves your sleep quality. According to many researchers, the people having insomnia get relaxed after Shirodhara. It has been also shown that it reduces brain waves to more relaxed alpha waves. Shirodhara also pacifies Vata dosha, chaotic thoughts, scattered attention, forgetfulness. All these problems are associated with Vata that can also be balanced by Shirodhara. The warmth and the steadiness of the oil pour balances the frustrating nature of Vata. Shirodhara should be done for 7 to 14 days according to the disease and nature of the patient. Tel Dhara is especially beneficial in hair fall and premature graying of hair. Takra Dhara for hypertension, Dugdha Dhara or Kashaya Dhara for psychological disorders like stress, anxiety, insomnia. It is also beneficial in depression, Parkinson's disease and Alzheimer's disease. These different Shirodharas are done in all over India on different Panchkarma centers. Our center is located in Haridwar near Rishikesh. If you are interested in medical consultation and Panchkarma procedures, you can visit our website and the link is given in the description box. Thank you.